Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and I wanted to make a video to talk about this product, which is the First Year's Sure Comfort Folding Bather. And I didn't have this on my registry, but I wish I did because whoever got me this was a lifesaver. Didn't know I would need it, but I felt so much more comfortable putting my baby in this bather in his early years because he was so small. I didn't want to really put him in like the bigger tub, which I do have, and I will make a video on the one that I did have for when he does get a little bigger. But this product was given to me, and I will link where you can find it. I believe it's about 20 or so bucks, or a little bit over that, a little bit less. But this is First Year's bather. It fits in most sinks or adult tubs. It has an inclined seat which cradles the baby in a no slip seat. So what I did find though is that due to the headrest part, it can be a little cold, and also this the part where the baby actually lies in. So my baby would start shivering when I would put him in there, but I didn't know it's because that it was cold once the water touches the surface. So I would take a good amount of warm water and I would pour over the seat right before placing my baby on it, so that would help him feel more comfortable and good on this, because this can get pretty cold quickly. So this is how the side of the box looks, folding bather, and it says right here that it's easy to set up, easy to use, and easy to store. So this is what came in the box with the bather. Of course, it has the use and care guide on how to use it. Keep this for future references. It also came, there you go, and that's the setup instructions, which I will show you how to set it up. This is just some warning. Baby has drowned in bathers before, so stay in arm's reach. And I always like to keep a hand near my baby's head while I'm soaping up his body and things like that. So let's get into the actual bather. So this is what was inside the box. This is how it looks when it comes. And it took me a while to actually know how to set this up, so I'm going to save you from that trouble today. So this part up here gets pushed up, and this is how the back looks. You would essentially just pull out this back hook, and you'll hear it make a snap, and that's how you'll know it's locked in position. You'll hear that. And then right up here, this bottom half has the seat down here. So to set it up, you would essentially pull this down. It will also lock, and you can tell that it's locked because if I bring it closer, you'll see the lock hinge right there. To unlock it, you would press this in to get it to move up. But this is the bather. Bather, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. But baby would essentially be in here, and head right here. Does need a little bit of support. The only thing is that once this is locked in, there's no adjusting it. So it's pretty preset like this. There's no way to necessarily adjust how it is. Let's say you wanted it lower, higher. It doesn't have an adjustment. There's no you can add something in the back of here if you want more support for your baby's head, but it doesn't come with anything like that. Right here, it's like mesh, so the water goes straight through that once you do wash your baby. Let me know what you use to bathe your baby and how you found this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.